Peel 5 raw potatoes. Remove skin of the 5 raw potatoes. Removing skin of 5 raw potatoes. Now we will cut the potatoes into small pieces. So in boiling it will take little time because of small pieces. Cut the potato into small pieces. You can boil potatoes in pressure cooker if you like, but I will boil it in the pan and cutting it into the small pieces. Now wash the potatoes with water 2 or 3 times. Remove the impurity. Wash potatoes with water. Rub the potatoes in the water. Wash it very well. Add potatoes in the fresh water. Boil the potatoes for 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame. Cover and boil the potatoes 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame. Potatoes are boiled after 20 minutes. See, fork is going inside the potato. Take out the potatoes in the bowl. Boiled potatoes in the bowl. Now mash the potatoes with the masher. Mash potatoes with the masher, or you can grate it on the grater. If you boil in the pressure cooker, the big pieces you can grate. Mash the potatoes with the masher or with the hands. There should be no any lumps. Add salt to taste or 1.5 tablespoons salt. Add 1 cup all-purpose flour little by little, slowly and gradually. So I am adding 1 cup all-purpose flour, mixing slowly and gradually. Potatoes are hot, so let it cool down completely. Then add the flour. Adding 1 cup all-purpose flour slowly and gradually. Adding 1 cup all-purpose flour slowly and gradually. The dough should not be sticky, otherwise your smiley will not form. Add 1 cup all-purpose flour slowly and gradually. Added 1 cup all-purpose flour. Total I added 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1.5 tablespoons salt and 5 small potatoes boiled. Now we will add 1 cup breadcrumbs. I blended breads of my home, the fresh breads which we may eat daily. Sandwich bread, I blended into the breadcrumbs. 4 breads equal to 1 cup. Now combine all the ingredients together very well. Make a dough like it's not sticky anymore. Now divide the dough into 3 equal balls. And I made 2 smiley, you can see. And now take a one dough and roll it with the hand or with the rolling pin of half-inch thick. Keep half-inch thick and roll it into the Roll it circular, keep half inch thick. Now we will cut this with the circular glass or with any cutter if you have. Otherwise use the glass. Now we will make the eyes with the straw. Make eyes with the straw and smile with the spoon. I have taken thick big straw. Making eyes with the straw. Keep half inch thick potato cutlets. Otherwise it will be difficult to remove from the plastic bag. Now make the smile with the spoon and push it little down so that smiley will be good looking. And now take out this from the remove extra. We will roll the extra dough again. Remove the extra dough. See, it's easy to remove the potato cutlet from the plastic bag. I use the plastic bag. Now let's fry these. Oil is hot. Oil should be hot, otherwise they will break down on the or stick to the bottom of the pan. Fry golden brown on medium flame. Fry golden brown on medium flame. These are fried golden brown. Now we will flip after 4 minutes. Let it cook down golden brown. Now flip this and turn and cook other side. Fry golden brown. Flip and cook other side. Fry golden brown. These are fried. Now take out these in the plate. These are fried golden brown. Let's remove these from the oil. Taking out from the oil, fried golden brown. See, very beautiful color and looking perfect. Potato smiley. Take out these in the plate. Now let's make another. Take a dough, roll it with the rolling pin or flatten it with the hand. I didn't apply any oil or dry flour, just rolling it on the plastic sheet. You can use cling film if you don't have the plastic sheet. Now cut the circular cutlets, then make the eyes and smile. Eyes with the straw and smile with the spoon. Cut these into circular cutlets shape. Remove the extra dough. Remove the extra dough. See, these are little bit thick cutlets, half inch thick. Now we will make the eyes with the straw. Making eyes with the straw, thick big straw. You can use any pen holder. Now making smile with the spoon, pulling it a little bit down so that smile form good way. Looking smile is looking very good because I pushed the spoon little down while making the smile. Now let's fry these. Oil is hot. Fry these on the golden brown. Make a smile, push or pull little bit down so that smile looks good. Now it's easy to remove from the plastic bag. Now let's fry these golden brown on the hot oil, medium flame. Fry golden brown on medium flame. These are, let's turn the side, flip it to the other side, fry light golden brown both the sides. These are fried, take out in the plate. Very beautiful color, looking perfect. Take out these in the plate. These are very crispy and from outside and very soft, chewy from the inside. Flatten the dough, remaining all the dough, flatten it with the hands. If you don't like to use the rolling pin, or if you don't have the rolling pin, then flat this with the hands. Now we use the glass for cutting. Use the glass for cutting circular potato cutlets. Now we will make the eyes with the straw, and we will make the smile with the spoon. Make the eyes with the straw and make a smile with the spoon. Then it will be easy to remove leftover dough. You can roll again and you can make the cutlets again. You make a smile with the spoon. Now we will drop these in the oil, fry golden brown on medium flame. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Your views matters a lot. Press bell icon button. Thank you for watching.